Did you know that out of nearly 7,000 surveyed patients, roughly 2,000 said they had a poor experience with acute healthcare? Did you also know that only 30% of the participating people said they were admitted to a hospital ward within the target wait time of 6 hours? While conducting our research, we have found that hospital wait times in Ireland are posing a serious issue to patients, staff, as well as exposing further health risk factors in the waiting area prior admission. The research indicated that those with serious conditions and possible admissions are looked at with priority, where day cases such as minor cuts, bone breaks, minor fevers, etc. are deprioritized. The team we chose is Innovative Healthcare. Our project focuses on bettering people's experience during their wait time, as well as creating better insights into how to reduce that time, as well as the insight into what type of injuries people come in with. To do this, we have decided to use a number of Oracle Cloud technologies like analytics, autonomous transaction processing, and superior Oracle generation to cloud architecture. And now, Riyadh is going to take you through the demo.
Hi. Before we get into the actual demo, let me present to you our great team that put all the effort and time into making this project a success. From left to right, we have Art, Bart, Victor, Ali, and myself. Now, let's imagine the following story. Donald woke up after a rough night out in town, and he didn't remember much of what happened the night before while he was partying with his friends Vlad and Kim. Trying to get out of bed, he felt a sharp pain in his abdomen, but he thought that it was due to all the ab crunches he was doing lately to get in shape, so he might look like his buddy Vlad. As the day unfolded, the pain grew stronger and stronger, until he decided he really needed to get seen by a doctor. He was reluctant to do so because of his friend, Hassan. He had some issues that he couldn't take care of on his own and really needed Donald's help. But Donald remembered that a new system called IHAQS was introduced in hospitals around Ireland that will easily show him his wait time and when it is his turn to be seen by a doctor. Now let me explain how this app works a little bit. For ease of use, we made a high-level architecture of Oracle services involved like OCI, Analytics, and ATP. The IHAQS app is designed to have different front ends for patients and hospital employees. For a triage nurse, she can add new patients in the systems through the app. If the patient has been to the hospital before, she can search for him through his PPS number. If not, the nurse will input his name, his date of birth, his PPS number, and then assign a priority and the symptoms for this patient. Doctors will see a list of all the patients that are waiting to be checked and can see specific details that the nurse added for each patient. When the doctor clicks on Done, the patient is taken out of the queue and the wait time for all other patients gets updated. Patients can log in with their PPS number and can see the estimated time to wait until a doctor is free to see them, and also they can see their number in the queue. As we are talking about medical information, security is always a top concern, and we must offer the best level of protection possible to ensure regulatory compliance and we not expose health data to malicious parties. With the revolutionary self-securing and self-patching features of ATP, we cover the most common attack vector of databases, and that is unpatched vulnerabilities. Another great benefit to IHAQS is that it leverages the Oracle Analytics Cloud to tap into the ATP database and extract insights about patients, symptoms, and wait times. With the map function, we can easily analyze where the longest emergency room queues in the country and in which county they are. We can also discover that in Cork, back pain is a major cause for delays in patients getting treated. While overall, in Ireland, skin infections seem to require the most time out of doctors. We can also see the evolution over time of such symptoms. We can also drill into details about which doctors take longer to treat patients and what type of medical issues pose problems to each doctor.
There are a number of challenges that our project has tackled. Number one is patient satisfaction with the wait time period and mitigation of risk factors for potential exposure of patients to pathogens within the waiting area. Second challenge is migration away from paper-based systems to a digital system in a hospital environment. And last but not least is the creation of insights into most common issues and injuries to help upskill necessary staff and reduce the wait time. With this implementation and the help of Oracle Cloud offering, we want to reduce the amount of time it takes to be seen by a medical specialist, as well as creating a better and safer patient experience within a hospital in Ireland. Thank you for your time and vote for us.